Hi, welcome to the Rugged Rundown. This week, I want to introduce you to the Getac K120 fully rugged hybrid laptop. This is probably one of the cooler hybrid laptops that I've seen. It is Getac's answer to its competition's Panasonic Toughbooks CF33. I'm going to just give you a brief overview, give you some first impressions, but I like the port covers. They're nice and well made. They got some nice rubber to keep them water resistant. You get the serial port on this thing. You have HDMI. You've got USB, two USBs over here. You even have some port covers on the actual tablet. Hey, let me show you this feature here, this tablet piece. All you gotta do is release the tablet, and that, ooh, abracadabra, we have a tablet. And take a look, I even have ports over here. So I have ports like a USB, I have USB-C, I even have a SIM slot right there. And you look over here, I've got HDMI, a mini SD card reader, it looks like. On this side, you've got your power and NIC, as well as a serial port. That's right, they still put those 9-pin serial ports on these units for that legacy equipment that you may need to use. That's a nice feature. And then guess what? If I turn it around like this, not only is it a tablet, but I can pop it back in here, maybe. Oh, gotta put it in right. Pop it back in here like this, backwards, slide it down. Look at this. I've got a tablet just like this. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let me change that back around. It's got two cameras, a webcam and a rear camera, as well as a privacy shutter. Look at that. So you can have privacy and shutter off your webcam while you're working in case you're worried about that. The weight is comparable for any fully rugged laptop. I don't see any reason why anybody wouldn't want to use this laptop. The keyboard is great. I don't have too many complaints about it. Anyways, that's what I got for you this week. I hope you guys take a look at my K120 videos, and you know the routine. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.